Hello there, it's Kev Blokey from My Hot Wheels Collection, here to do an unboxing video. It's not a 72 case of models, it's a purchase of 30 models, and I bought from a US seller on eBay. So there's quite a few sort of Kmart and Walmart exclusive models in this box, so let's see what I've been spending my money on. So first out of the box is this shoebox from 2005. This was a Kmart exclusive colour in this purple. That's the first one. Secondly, also from Kmart, is this 68 Mercury Cougar in this exclusive sort of mustard yellow colour. Bit of foam pack in there, with Idlebrock racing decals on the side. I've got this decals in the standard colour, of which the colour escapes me at the moment, but I quite like the variation of this colour scheme, so another one for the collection. Okay, rummage down in the box and pull the next goodie out. Okay, so oh god, this is the Art Cars Cool one. So this came out in red and blue in the standard range, but this was an exclusive again. I believe it was for Kmart, and this was in this yellow colour scheme. So it was nice to have this one to add to the two I already had. Quite like the Art Cars collection as a series. I'll try to get all the variations I can. So what date was that? It's 2015. So yeah, cool. Right, car number 4 then is the Then and Now, again an exclusive colour I believe to Kmart again, and this is the Mazda RX-7, the original version. They also done the later version, the mid-90s version, or whenever it came out. This was from a Kmart collector's day. I had got the later version already, but I was missing this early one from the Then and Now series, so pleased to have got this. This was ironically the original model I was looking for, and ended up purchasing 30 models all from the same seller. I'm sure you guys understand how these things happen. Quite. Anyway, moving on. Model number 5 is slightly battered card, but it doesn't matter because it's getting opened. Is again another Kmart exclusive. This is the 2005 Ford Mustang from the Hot Wheels race team in this white colour scheme. Again, this was a collector's day model, I believe, with the lift up spoiler on the front. So yep, quite a lot of exclusive models in this box. Kmart and Walmart exclusives, as I say. This is the 71 Dodge Demon, and he said, just looking up his list again, this is another Kmart exclusive in this yellow colour scheme with nice gold wheels and red striping. When does that date from? This dates from somewhere 2011. Yeah, lovely. Right, moving on. Now this isn't an exclusive, but I do like my Ferraris, and this is the Ferrari F355 Challenge model in a silver colour scheme with the red, white and green stripes of the Italian flag going over the bonnet or the hood and the roof. Metal base, metal body, so it'd be interesting to see how that performs going down the track. Right, rolling on, we have another Ferrari. This is the Ferrari F355 Spider. Nice open top Ferrari there, dating from, as it does, 1998 it looks like. Cool. cracking on then. We have, this is a Walmart exclusive from their Easter range. This one dated from 2013. This is the 70 Chevy Chevelle convertible. Don't say that after you've had a drink. But quite like this in the pace car colours. So next time I do a King of the Hill, I may have to run this down the track beforehand just to you know, make sure the track is clear and everything else that pace cars do. There's the range of models which came out this particular year: the Post-Up Firebird, Toyota Off-Road Truck, and various others. Cool. Right, moving on. The next car is a Walmart Zamac. I've got a few of these in this box. This is the custom Ford Bronco from the Surfs Up mini range. Obviously in this unpainted Zamac silver colour with the decals or the tampo printed on top, and the roof colour exclusive to this release. Excellent. Another Zamac now. This is the Solid Muscle, the Fantasy from the HW Hot Trucks. Got it in the black, got it in the blue, so it's quite nice to get the silver variant as well. Excellent. Well, that's got a liftable spoiler as well at the front. I never noticed that, but cool. Next up, this is not an exclusive model. This is the custom 77 Dodge van in this copper colour scheme with these wheels. They look like the Faster Than Never wheels. I don't think they are. It would say on the packaging if it was. But I do like the Dodge van, particular fan of that casting. And next up, talking of Dodge vans, not this is a Dodge van, but it's very similar. This is the Super Van, another Zamac Walmart exclusive. This is in the HW Fire Chief livery. Again, I've got the white version and the deep red version, so it's quite nice to complete the trio, the Zamac edition. Right, rummaging in my box, we now pull out a Target exclusive. This is from their red editions, and this is the Time a Taxi. I've already got red Time a Taxi, but that was in the standard range. This is the as I say, the Target red edition exclusive, so nice to have that to go with the others. I think it's based on Japanese taxi, Nissan Laurel or something like that. Anyway, right, this is not an exclusive, but it was one I didn't have in the collection. This is the 13 Copo Camaro in this sort of stock red colour scheme. Thin wheels at the front there, with a big fat sort of drag wheels at the back. Cool. All of these cars will be racing in my next King of the Hill video, so you'll see those in action then. This is from 2000. This is the Ferrari 365 GTB/4. Again in that sort of stock standard Ferrari red, but don't believe this was a variant I had in my collection, so quite nice to get it now. Okay, rummaging down, we have, guess what folks, it is a Lamborghini Countach in a blue colour scheme. I don't think this was an exclusive. I think this was just one that caught my eye. Yeah, my notes don't say anything other than what it is. So yeah, this dates from, oh, you might be able to see now, what's that? Oh, 2007, yeah. Blue colour scheme with the Lamborghini name plastered all over it. Okay, rummaging through. It's like a lucky dip, this box with all these polystyrene Drizzlingtons. A Walmart Zamac yet again, and this is the Dodge Charger Drift from the HW Metro series in the police pursuit colours. That looks quite cool, doesn't it? That'd be nice to see go down the track. See how it copes. Right, okay. I made a bit of a boo-boo with this one because I thought, oh, I haven't got this, and it turns out I have got it. It's a Kmart exclusive. It is the 15 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 in this white colour scheme. As I've already realised upon checking that I have got this particular release already, but never mind. I'll add it to my stock of trade and sales and all the rest of it. Cool. Right, rummaging away. Let's find another model for you, and we have yet another Zamac. And you know what? I've got a funny thing. I've got this one as well. This is the 49 Ford F1 in obviously the unpainted Zamac colour scheme, but with the orange flames on the side and these orange rimmed wheels. Part of the HW Flames series. I really don't know why I end up buying models I've already got. Never mind. There we are. Right, I know I haven't got this one. This is a Target Red Edition. This is 2015 Ford Mustang GT in baller racing colours. So excellent. Occasionally I do like to buy models I don't already have. And this is another one. This is the Corvette C7R Walmart Zamac Edition with Summit Racing garb all over it. It's nice red open spoke wheels. Part of the HW Speed Graphics series. Next up, guess what folks, it's another Zamac. This is the 68 El Camino. Got quite a few El Caminos in the collection, but I never had a Zamac one up until now, so now I have. Okay, a red edition. This is the 15 Mercedes AMG GT from Target. Red edition to the point it's got red wheels. That's kind of it really, but quite a nice casting. I do like this, and this one looks fairly stock, so good to have it along. Have a rummage down, and we pull out. This is a Kmart exclusive. This is the Dodge Viper SRT 10 ACR. Believe it was in blue in the standard range, but this black version with the gold wheels looks quite stunning. Part of the Night Burners series, so nice to have that. Right, have a rummage down, and we pull out yet another Kmart exclusive. This is the Lotus Evora GT4 in this orange colour scheme. Part of the HW workshop dating from 2013. Obviously being a Brit, I quite like British cars such as the Lotus, but I know that was one I didn't have, so nice to have it now. I've got some more in here. There we are. Again, this is a Kmart exclusive. This is the 64 Corvette Stingray in this nice black livery with the white rimmed wheels. Looks quite stunning. Okay, and next up out the box we have a Ferrari F355 standard release dating from back whenever it was. What's that? 96 it looks like, so quite an early card there. Part of the Rocking Rods series with obviously rock and roll graphics and electric guitar over the bonnet or the hood there. Cool, metal on metal again, so it should be good on the track. Now we have a Walmart exclusive from 2018, part of the Then and Now series. Again, another series I was keen to get all the variants of. This is the 55 Corvette in silver with blue printing. The standard release, I think there's a black version and a blue version. So again, now I've got the third one to make up the trio. Might possibly be there. Let's have a rummage. See if oh, what's this? No. I think it's just a box of. Sorry about rustling. I think we've reached the point where that is the contents of the box. Yeah, it certainly looks like it. So, there we are. Let's quick. Oh no! Tell a light. Come out. There's one hiding. There we are. Got it. Kmart exclusive. This is the 70 Buick GSX in this nice blue kind of scheme with yellow highlights, yellow wheels. Cool, nice to have that one along. So yeah, all these will be coming to a King of the Hill in the not too distant future. So see how they perform come track day. Anyway, there we are guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the Hot Wheels, and I will speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye bye. Bye.